Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a kind of like hair comparison video. I'm going to be curling one side of my hair with a straightener and the other side with a curling iron, and we're going to see which one holds curls best. I do plan on making this video like a 3 or 2 day process to like see how the curls wear for a couple of days. So if you guys are interested in seeing the comparison of hair curled with a straightener versus a curling iron, then definitely please watch. So for today's video, I'm going to be curling my hair with this new Furiden hair straightener that I got. And I like it because it's rounded on the edges. I've never used this straightener before, and I used to curl my hair with straighteners all the time, but I thought this one would be nice because since it's rounded, it will make it easier to curl. And then since I hadn't curled my hair with a straightener in a long time, I was like, I should do it and compare hair curled with a straightener versus hair curled with a curling iron and see which curls I like better, see which curls hold up more, and all of that jazz. This hair straightener was actually sent to me. The company reached out to me. This video is not sponsored. I don't have an affiliate link or anything with them, but I was so excited when they said that they wanted to send it to me because, like I said, I had already been thinking about how I hadn't curled my hair with a straightener in a while. And they did mention that when they sent it to me, they would give you guys a 10% off code. It won't be an affiliate link. It's just for you guys to save some money. So as soon as I find out what that code is, I'll leave it linked right here, and it'll also be linked down below. This company is sold on Amazon as well. So to control the heat, you turn it this way if you want the temperature lower, and then you twist it that way if you want it higher, and then you can lock the temperature in place. That's different. I've never had a straightener that did that. So I'm gonna put it up to, oh shoot, I'll put it up to 380 degrees. That way it's hot, but not too hot. Let's see. So I guess I'll do this side with the straightener, this side with the curling iron. I'm gonna go ahead and clip this hair. And then I'm just gonna use my Tresemme Heat Protected. I need to get some more of this. I'm running low. All right, and then I'll work in sections. I haven't curled my hair with a straightener in forever, so let's pray that I still remember to kind of smooth out the top part first. And then I'll, wait, how do I do this again? I honestly completely forgot. I love how this helps it glide through so much easier. That's how the curl looks. Pretty easy to do. I feel like since the edges are rounded, it makes it super easy to feed the hair through without it getting stuck. There's nothing worse in the past than when I've curled my hair with a straightener and then it leaves like crimps in your hair. I think it's so ugly. I'm gonna turn the heat up to about 385 now. So I just twist it once like that, and then I just feed it through. And then I like to just reform the curl with my finger, and voila. These definitely give me much more of like a bouncy tight curl, but I do like how it leaves my hair pretty shiny. Again, I just kind of twist the straightener once, and then I just feed it through. The slower that you feed it through, the tighter the curl will be. The faster you feed your hair through it, the looser the curl will be. And then also depending on how big of sections you take will depend on how tight or loose the curl will end up. I'm taking relatively larger sections because I don't like a super tight curl, at least not anymore. I like more of a looser. I was like going through all this and I forgot to give you like the deets and how much it retails for. So on Amazon it retails for $64.97 and it comes with a comb and then 2 hair clips. It starts at 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is a 1-inch width tourmaline ceramic flat iron for all hair types with rotating adjustable temperature. I showed you guys that in salon high heat. So the reviews on Amazon seem pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna finish up the rest of my hair and I'll kind of speed through this. But yeah, this definitely leaves the hair with a really nice shine. And I also like how smooth it leaves it. The only thing is that I hate how here the curl is like only at the bottom. I might have to just play with how I use it. It might just be because my hair is too heavy, so it's just like weighing everything down. And I also love how fast it took. It literally only took me like 15 minutes to do it. It does give really pretty curls. So I'm gonna be curling this side with my Hot Tools extra long 14 karat gold curling iron. I love this curling iron. This one's also sold on Amazon. I'm just gonna speed through it just because I filmed so many videos of me curling my hair with a curling iron. And if you haven't seen me curl my hair with a curling iron, I will definitely leave a link to my most recent video down below. And this one goes up to 430 degrees. I normally curl my hair at the highest heat. I will say that the thing I did like about curling my hair with the flat iron was that I didn't have to hold my curl, and you don't have to like wait for your whole head to heat up as you're like feeding your hair through. It feels like it goes by a lot faster. And then whenever I curl my hair with a curling iron, I do have to hold the curl and let it set. So I feel like it's probably quicker with the flat iron. Ooh, but see, curling iron curls are just so pretty. I like how this, you got the curl all throughout. Whereas with the flat iron, I feel like I get majority of the curl at the bottom of the hair. We'll see though. We'll see when everything is done because my curling iron curls normally do fall pretty quick. Alright, so this is my curling iron side done. This one definitely comes out a lot tighter initially. I never leave my curls this tight. Once they cool, I always brush them out. I definitely feel like with the flat iron side, once I finish, it already had that brushed out look before I even ran my fingers through it or anything. So yeah, I find that with this side, I don't even necessarily have to brush through it. This side, once it sets, I definitely will because these are like curly super vibes, but I still love my Hot Tools curling iron. And this one does leave your hair shiny too. I've had some curling irons and flat irons that like the second you put it through your hair, it somehow just like dries everything out and makes it look so frizzy and brittle. So now I'm just taking this wet brush and I'm very lightly just grazing through my hair. So this is the curling iron side. This is the flat iron side. The curling iron off the bat, I can see has so much more volume, and I do like how this one has the curl all throughout the hair. I have that nice wave all throughout. Straightener side has curls mainly toward the bottom, so everything is smooth through here and then it's just like a soft curl on the bottom. If you're somebody that doesn't like too much going on in your hair, you don't want too big, don't want too much curl in your hair, you want a softer wave, you'll definitely probably like the way the flat iron curls it. And then this is how it looks on the bottom. This one you get more of that like tighter curl throughout the bottom. This one just stays big and loose throughout. Alright, so we have our flat iron side and the curling iron side. So now I'm just gonna go on and about with my business, and I'm gonna check in with you guys probably later this evening and then tomorrow to see how these curls wear and how they look once you sleep with them, see which ones hold up better. So I'll probably keep these curls in my hair for 2 days and see which side wears better and looks better and holds the curl longest. I like both of them, so we'll just have to wait. So I promise it's the next day. I ended up sleeping in the same shirt, but I was getting ready to go to the grocery store. Who would have thought you would put makeup on to go to the grocery store, but it's probably the only human interaction that I'll have today. But I wanted to show you guys. So this is the side with the straightener, and then this is the side curled with my regular curling iron. I slept with my hair kind of tied in a top bun and then with a clip. I kept it pretty loose though so that both sides would be able to keep the curl. But as you can see, to me, they both look the same. So like my straightener side and my curling iron side definitely look the same. The curls ended up like settling very similar. The straightening side does, I feel like, have more of a curl toward the bottom still. This one still has more of a wave throughout, but I noticed my curling iron side is much looser. All the curls are really big and they've all more formed into waves versus like keeping any of the actual curled pieces. But to be honest, I can't even really tell a difference. So yeah, this is the straightening side. The curls actually look really pretty. And then this is the curling iron side. I honestly can't tell much of a difference. I'll check back in with you guys later to see if like the curls fall or change or anything like that. And then I'll also check in with you guys probably like tomorrow too to see if they are still holding up. Hi guys, don't mind my face. I literally just woke up, but I wanted to show you guys my day 3 hair. I literally just took it out of my bun that I secured with my clip. I haven't touched anything up. I haven't recurled any pieces. And this is the side that was curled with the flat iron. And then this is the side that was curled with my curling iron. I don't know if you guys can see much of a difference. I can toward like the bottom. Hey, Choka. I can toward the bottom. I feel like the side that I curled with the flat iron has definitely held up the curls more down here, whereas these have kind of fell flat. And also throughout here, it looks a lot flatter, whereas these, there's more of the curl throughout. This one would be really easy to touch up, the side I did with my actual curling iron. I could reform the pieces by literally just twirling my hair with my finger or just curling some of the pieces with my curling iron. However, I do feel like this side, all I would have to do is like brush the top and I wouldn't have to touch up. And this is day 3. So that is definitely a plus. I feel like the flat iron side, I wasn't happy with how my hair looked at first. Well, it wasn't that I wasn't happy, but I did prefer the look of the curling iron side. But as the days have gone on, this one has held up really nice. And I feel like given like a really smooth and just like even just done kind of hair look, which is a plus. So my thoughts on the Furiden hair straightener slash curling iron, or that you can use to curl your hair. I think it's great. I think it's super easy to use. And what I would do next time to help my curls be even more defined and last even longer is I'd probably actually go in with a higher heat. Normally when I use my hair with a curling iron, I heat it at 430. And then when I use the flat iron, I only used it at 375 just because I didn't want to damage my hair, but I'd probably just go in with a little bit of a higher heat just so that way it just like holds and forms the curl a little bit more. I'm excited to play around with it some more. I will definitely leave the link to it down below if any of you guys are interested. And yeah, this was like a random science experiment, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.